Hello guys, welcome to the video under the channel. This video is all about getting to know my siblings. I've asked my mom to do the questioning. She's gonna ask 10 questions for each one of us. Ma, are you not gonna say hi?
Hello everyone! I'm doing the questioning. So the first question is, who is the eldest and the youngest? And please, ibigay nyo rin yung mga names ninyo.
So we're gonna start from eldest to youngest then. I'm Raiji, I'm the eldest. Let's go to the next one, Henry.
I'm Henry and I'm the second oldest.
I'm Raven and I'm the third youngest. Second
Second to the last.
Second to the last.
I'm Georgia. I'm the youngest in this family.
Okay, so what do you like about each other? So everybody who will answer first. What do you like about Raven, or what do you like about each one of your siblings? You first.
Okay, I like their cooking.
You can tell what you like about Kuya,
That's it,
about
their cooking.
and what you like about Georgia. Each one, what you like?
Do it individually, Raven.
Georgia, I like it when
everything I say.
yeah, I like it when she does the chores that I don't want to do.
Oh!
And Henry, you cook, and Craig, you cook. That's it.
How about you, Kuya? Pau Pau, how about you?
Georgia's more cooperative than Raven. Raven's just there. She's like a sitting duck, but she's really funny. And then there's Kuya Raiji. He's got a lot of money. Just kidding.
No,
Yeah. And he helps me out quite a bit with other stuff.
How about you, B? What you like about your siblings? Starting from maybe Kuya Raiji. What you like about Kuya?
He does like do the chores straight away instead like
Not that much talk and do it straight away.
yeah,
Yeah,
basically.
that's what you mean.
But
What you like about Raven?
nothing.
Oh well, she helps me some like my homework and like do some business with me and Raven.
Okay.
Keep it coming.
How about you, Kuya? How about you, Kuya?
I'll start
What?
from Henry. Henry can be helpful.
In what way?
A lot of like that's why we call him Einstein in the house, because he kind of like have that know it all vibe, if you know what I mean. So, and also he also corrects me when I'm cooking, like, oh yeah, that's wrong, so I'll take that advice as well. So yeah. Raven, she's good. If you're wondering with the technical stuff, like when it comes to editing, yung editing, siya yung nagtuturo sa akin. And Georgia with the art stuff as well. Like she helps me with the art, like designs and everything. So which is good. Overall, they're all helpful. So yeah.
So the next question is, what do you hate about each other?
I got full list.
Full list. I mean Henry will easily get mad when I'm doing like annoyed him too much. The same as my eldest brother.
Then how about Raven?
Raven would be like, she's really annoying because she keeps giving me the job, and even though it's her.
I let
All
her
the time.
choose.
Oh well, it's a good deal.
And then how about you, Raven? What you can start from Georgia. What you hate most?
Georgia, she doesn't listen. Like it takes her a long time to like do things until she forgets. And then Henry, manipulative. Craig, onion skin.
Sounds like a
Okay.
word.
Right. What you all have in common?
Ma, you haven't
Skip
asked
two
them yet.
people.
Ay! Uy, Kuya! Sorry, Kuya Popa. Frodo, come here.
No, let him join. Let him join. Aww.
Ooh,
Right.
so good.
You stay. Sit. Good dog. Right. Pau, be? What you hate
Audience.
most among your siblings?
I don't know. Raven,
Why me first?
because you're the first thing that pops up in my head.
Fair enough.
Okay? Right. You do something nice for her, right? And she doesn't, like, you know, return it well. Then, Georgia. Georgia.
What you hate most about Georgia?
What I hate most? She sucks at games. Oh, I was playing Overwatch with Georgia, and then she was like, "Oh
She's the
no, I'm
healer."
healing," and then she's not healing people. She's like
She
leaving
was-
me to die in the
She was
game.
healing the wrong person.
Yeah, and then it led me to die.
And then, Kuya?
AJ.
Answer it.
What you hate about Kuya? What do you hate most about what Kuya do? Or, you know, things that Kuya do?
Oh, getting angry when I fart in his room.
That's not very nice.
Wait, no!
Oh,
It's
that's
better
your
out than
angry.
in.
Ooh.
Yeah, okay. Let's
It's
move
a rule
on.
in my books.
Let's move on. So, what you all hate?
This
The
applies to everyone. They just
You just, yeah, it's a,
they just make fun of me all the time.
Ow, ow.
They for example, Raven says, "Oh, Kuya, you have to do this and that." Then I'll easily like get deceived and do it, and she'll go smiling like
Yeah, he's very ignorant.
gullible.
Oh,
I'm
gullible.
gullible. Yeah, that's the word.
Gullible. Gullible.
Madali ako
Gullible.
maloko.
Gullible. Yeah. I meant
Right, okay.
gullible.
No, you're just good, Kuya. You know, you're just being a Kuya. You know.
What about these other people?
Well, that applies to you all.
Right, okay, next question. Let's move on. Next question is what you all have in common.
We like anime. We like games.
We like food.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that's the one that you have in common.
Yes.
Food,
Ah.
anime.
All of you
We like
Yeah.
Frodo. We like Frodo too.
Yeah.
Frodo's nice.
Let's move on to the next question. What is the funniest moment or the funniest memory you have with each other?
Funniest?
Yeah.
It's just
When Henry pooped in the slide in Jollibee.
You weren't even conscious there.
Oh,
Oh, I remember it.
you were very young then that time.
Yeah, I was in
no?
Marcella.
I think that you were about how old?
I don't know, but all I remember is sliding down and then there's poop on my ass. It was in Marcella.
What is the funniest memory you have?
It's definitely when we had to count how many girlfriend our dads had.
Yeah, that was like over when we were eating one time, talking about it. I think he just blurted it out of nowhere, I guess, just to like reminisce or something like that.
Yeah.
Everybody
It was quite
agree?
funny.
Is that the
Yeah.
funniest?
The
Yeah.
stories with the experience, it was really funny.
With how many girlfriends does Dad have in one place? Like in one town?
It was like that many
We
that
have
he doesn't
three
remember how
or-
many.
Two in the other place?
Yeah.
Is that the funniest?
Yeah.
That was funny. Yeah. Right, let's move on. What do you do for fun?
Play games.
Yeah.
Netflix.
Netflix.
Watching movies.
Yeah.
That's it.
Reading a lot of manga.
Yeah, reading a lot of manga.
Books if there's no
Okay.
manga.
This dude likes K-pop.
I watch reaction videos, don't judge me.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, this is another question. Who's in love?
No.
Never.
I gotta focus on work.
Oh wait,
first.
wait. What about this? Who do we think is in love?
Who's in love?
I think Raja is.
Oh, no one.
I seen he had Tinder on his phone one time. I wish I was
That doesn't
lying.
mean he's in love.
But
Did he really?
yeah, I did. I did
Oh!
see, he's not even denying it. That's the
What?
thing.
I didn't hear you.
So I probably think he's hiding someone from us, but it's fine.
Describe each sibling in 3 words. Who's gonna start?
Moi.
Right, you start with
Raven. Okay, so she's funny at times. She is bold. She's she's unique. I'd say for sure. She's unique.
Unique in a good way.
I don't know. Georgia, she's very creative. She's very helpful, and she doesn't complain.
That's good.
So
yeah.
that's not really a word, but if
No,
I
but
could put that
you
in a
describe
word.
them, yeah. Yeah. Don't take it literally.
So me next.
So,
Just
who's
kidding.
next?
Courage. Okay, so he's very forgiving. He's very supportive. I'm trying to think.
Kuya is hardworking.
Ah, yeah, that one. Hardworking.
Yeah, helps a lot in the house.
Yeah, he's very hardworking.
Right, who's next?
Wait, is it me now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please say I'm a genius. Just kidding.
So Raven's like good with technology. She's helpful. She can be annoying sometimes.
Frodo, come here.
Oh, there's an annoying one.
Sip.
Georgia, she's very hardworking. She helps a lot in the house. Like she just does it straight away, whatever chore. And she's very artistic. Henry's very helpful. Like like for example, if you ask a question, it's like a walking Google search engine. So yeah, it can be like
Sarcastic.
yeah, sarcastic. Sometimes like
So I am.
How about you, B? Raven is? You can start from Raven, with Raven.
Raven is helpful, creative.
Keep going.
Okay.
Very fashionable, very stylish.
Okay. How about Kuya Saak?
Koisak is very brainy.
Okay.
You
Okay.
should have at least said
Keep
I'm
going.
charitable. I buy you
We
things.
should
Helpful.
word your
Helpful and generous.
Supportive.
Supportive. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here comes
that's
my
good.
words.
That's Kuya Reggie
Um,
is. Kuya is very
Helpful.
What about those stuff that I bought you?
butang yun funny.
Charitable.
Generous.
Yeah,
Kuya is generous.
yeah.
Yeah.
He's very patient.
That's good. That's a nice one.
Yes.
Okay. So, what's your nickname within the family?
Mom calls me Alex, and then Dad calls me Lick, and then they all just call me Raven.
I don't.
I do.
Mom also call you Inday.
And Inday.
And about you, B?
I don't.
Baby.
Yeah, they,
Baby.
they call me Bebe, and sometimes.
Betty.
What? Yeah, the harbor one they
Bok-
called me.
Bok-
That's your name though. You're our
Betty, Gina.
Betty, Gina, something. That's it.
Tina.
Tina, Jordan.
Patricia.
Yeah, no, not all of it.
Yeah, she has a lot of nicknames in the house.
How about you, Henry?
Pow Pow. Because I was really bald when I was a baby.
Okay.
Had no hair whatsoever.
Upaw.
Saak.
Henrietta.
Pow.
Henrietta.
Atak boy! Uncle. Shout out to Uncle.
Henrietta.
Yeah, and I think that's it.
Henrietta.
Yeah.
Call him Henrietta.
Yeah.
And then, Kuya?
Well, my parents always just calls me G.
J.
Yeah, J.
J.
Yeah.
You only have one name.
Nothing else. Then everyone calls me Kuya in the house. That's it. Nothing else.
Right. Next question is who got the most messy room?
It's no competition,
Oh.
guys. It's no competition.
What?
It's no competition. I'm a very busy man.
Okay. Right. What's your favorite game?
Ludo.
I just
I'll be honest, Minecraft.
Wait, all time or at the moment?
Just favorite game.
Only one round.
At the moment, it's State of Decay 2. I'm just finishing off.
mine. I'm not sure. I play a lot.
All of us
I
play.
play-
At the moment, you're
At
playing
the
Subnautica, aren't you?
Yeah, Subnautica.
Oh yeah,
yes.
I also like Subnautica too.
It reminds me of Philippines for some reason because it's you go underneath the sea.
Mm.
Okay. So, what's your favorite food?
Fried chicken.
Lechon.
Lechon.
I don't know. There's a lot. I'll go for lechon, I guess. I miss it. a
So
lot.
original.
Favorite drink?
Lemonade!
Diet Coke.
Coke.
I'll go for a frappuccino.
Oh no, I really
Fine,
think
I'll go for
smoothie.
bubble tea.
You can drink that every
Chocolate
day.
smoothie.
Oh, yeah.
Cappuccino every day.
I like chocolate smoothie.
I can drink
think
Coke
love-
every day.
I love water. I can't live without water.
Is that your favorite? No.
Yeah, because everything's made of water.
If it's put next to
Your favorite
boba,
drink's made
if
of
it's
water.
put next to boba, would you choose water?
No,
Exactly. So it's not your favorite drink.
Okay then.
but water.
Okay.
It's in
Try
boba.
to drink water actually. It's healthy.
Coke has water.
Yeah, it's recommended.
Lemonade.
Right. Next question is what do you think a lot? Like at this very moment, this phase, this stage of your life, you know, what do you think a lot? Like that's the foremost in your head.
Career, because this is around the time of our age where we have to start thinking about what we want to do for the rest of our lives. So career.
Also career, but also want to do it.
Four things.
No, only one. What you think a lot at the moment? What's your focus? What you are thinking that's always foremost in your forehead?
Getting into university.
How about you, Kuya?
Me, I probably just it's a career, but I just want to achieve something different, like out of normal.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Right, you complete the this is the last question. You complete the sentence. My siblings are
Weeboos.
Endless source of entertainment.
My siblings are cool.
good.
My
Oh, yeah?
siblings are very resourceful because they find a way, to get out situations, I guess. Okay, guys, we're not gonna exclude this guy here. His name's Frodo. His pattern's black and white, as we can see. He likes eating human foods. His favorite fruit is oranges. And he can be annoying sometimes. He's getting bigger. And his age is a year and a half now? Yeah? He's getting old, guys. But we still consider him as a puppy. He's quite playful, as you can see.
And bad.
And here, you probably heard him messing around in the background during the video. So yeah, look at how cute he is. Oh no, oh yeah, the bite is not painful, just to tell you.
It's only a play bite.
Yeah, he's just playing around. It's quite fluffy, so yeah, that's it for Frodo. Okay guys, that's it for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did like the content for this video, please consider liking and subscribing. And for more, please press the notification bell, and see you in the next one.